So today we're looking at the free well filters, and this one's called the LPR, which is a light pollution reduction filter. Bit of a mouthful, isn't it? And what I've done, I put it onto the Mini 3 Pro. Pretty easy to do. I've done a video on the filters. You just sort of snap them on, very quick as well. Now they only weigh 0.70 grams, if so. It's a fraction of a gram. Doesn't weigh it. Presume it weighs just the same as my UV filter that I've got on. I always have on anyway. And what I've done, I've gone to this fun fair and I've taken a couple of videos. I've gone into Pro. I haven't done it in Auto. I've done it in Pro. I'm not going to tell you the settings, guys, because I think everybody's got their own preference. How you want to do your settings. I tend to like them darker. I know a lot of people like them lighter. But anyway, it gives you an idea what these filters do. As always, if you enjoy the vid, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And as always, guys, fly safe, and I'll catch you in another video.